Welcome to Rustbuster Framework's installation guide for 1988 to 98's K1500's core support mount. Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of their manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Open your hood and with a screwdriver, remove the 4 screws from the lower headlight on each side. Pull out the unit and remove the bulbs by pinching and twisting the clips. Followed by unclipping the turn signals with the same motion. Step 3. With a 7mm socket and wrench, begin removing the grille retaining bolts. 4 on top, 1 below the hood latch, 2 inside each headlight, and at center of the base. Gently and evenly pull at the grille and remove it. Step 4. Remove the bumper cover and begin removing the 4 top and bottom bumper bolts with an 18mm socket. Remove the bumper. Step 5. With 2 18mm sockets, remove the bushing bolt for each core support. Followed by the 5 bolts retaining the bumper brackets. Next, with a 15mm socket, remove all body mount bolts, or the bolts on the side that you're working on. Lastly, jack or lift your vehicle's body, and remove the core support bushings. Step 6. Begin cutting away the support and clean the frame free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Replace the part and loosely secure it with the 3 inner shown bolts and bumper bracket. Ensure the support is level with the frame rail and begin tack welding it in place. Step 7. Uninstall the bolts and bracket and completely weld it around all edges. Finally, replace the bushings, bolts, brackets, and lower the vehicle back down. Begin reassembling your vehicle, and you're done.